with only family. I know now's your big sister, everyone, so try to get along with her for me, please. Of crimson brick, we all had fit inside of that place. To and fro they whispered back, making plans of their own, so it seemed, looking deep into their eyes, so red in all three. And then I see, hidden just beneath our memories, grown-ups never see. Terror in his face, he said, I'm a monster deep inside, filled with fear, but they're wrong. And so I said, that's not true at all, just look here. That red you hate so much, a hero wears it proud. No, really, it's okay, no need to be afraid anymore. Thinking of what be fun or might be dumb. I was a big sister and tried my best to. Hey guys, look over here, a crimson muffler I wrapped around me, a secret brigade or something. Diet and matter of roses, so we can begin. Just 'cause we play heroes, it doesn't mean nothing. So maybe just a little, we'll smile again and always be one big happy family. I hope they're happy and laughing at every new day. And if they just couldn't take it, they won't run away. Now listen close here, this secret for you. And so the sun sets on a day fun and new. Blowing spring into the air, the adult world we knew was changing to something wrong I couldn't see, like a plan of their own, so it seemed. Blow tears and fade away, the people that I love keep crying out. No one seems to notice, but it's all dying into black. It's all gone wrong, but now